Hello, I'm Jess. Sometimes you need your chart to show highs and lows at a single glance. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use our new color scale feature to bring your data to life. Let's start with a standard column chart. In the styling panel, you'll find the new Legend Color Scale option. Simply enable it and choose the number of colors for your gradient. You can select up to 3. Upon clicking Apply, your chart is instantly transformed. A color gradient is automatically applied based on your measure's value, making it easy to spot trends, highs and lows just by the intensity of the color. The color scale feature isn't just for column charts. It works across other chart types like area, bar, pie, and 3D column charts. The gradient colors are automatically selected from your active theme, but you can fully customize them to match your design preferences. Let's see the color scale in action on a dashboard. The darkest shade on our color scale 3D chart immediately points to a key insight. The film and video category has the highest volume of failed projects, even if it's not the highest rate. To investigate further, you can use the legend as a filter. We can now clearly see that the games category has the highest percentage of cancelled projects. Turboard. Turn data into value.